This 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn in diamond black crystal pearl paint is waiting for you to come and take it for a test drive at Crosstown here. It's just waiting for you in the new car lot. This is a crew cab truck with a 5-foot box in the back. It has 4-wheel drive and front and rear ParkSense parking sensors with a backup camera. It also has remote start, a telescopic steering wheel, and power adjustable pedals. Underneath the hood is the familiar Hemi 5.7-liter V8 engine, putting out 395 horsepower and 410 foot-pounds of torque. It sounds great and is very reliable. Coming into the back seat area here, you'll appreciate the amount of footroom there is for passengers. There's also plenty of headroom, and there's handles on both sides that passengers can use to lift themselves inside this truck. There's a fold-down armrest here with 2 big cup holders. There's USB ports back here too, so passengers can charge their devices. Cell phone holder, and there's directional air vents, which passengers can close and open. And there's also in-floor storage areas. Pocket on the back of the passenger seat, and of course a pocket on the back of the driver's seat. Love the amount of space there is back here. The front door panels have plenty of storage down below on them, and there's also 2 big cup holders. There's an upper glove box right here, easily opened up just like this. Tons of space in here. There's a nice Bighorn badge, and there's also a lower glove box with plenty of space. There's pockets on both sides of the middle console area. There's 2 big cup holders, more storage space down below here, cell phone holder, CD player, USB ports. This does have heated seats up front and a heated steering wheel, touchscreen Uconnect system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This does have an auto dimming rear view mirror, and there's 2 cup holders up here as well for the back seat area. The Driver Information Center screen on the instrument cluster gives you a wide variety of useful information, including a digital speedometer, vehicle info area, which tells you a full-on gauge summary, which is very handy. You have your fuel economy area. You have 2 trick computers that tells you how far you've driven, your average fuel economy, and the time you've been driving for. It tells you what's playing on your audio, and more. Looking for a pickup truck that's easy to drive, spacious, and has modern technology in it? Look no further than this 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn, powered by the Hemi 5.7-liter V8 engine under the hood. It's a crew cab with a 5-foot box. It's at Crosstown Chrysler. It's waiting for you.